This week's boiler tip, we're taking a look at a Honeywell fluid-powered gas valve actuator. It's important that we do periodic inspections on these when they're running and when they're off to verify proper actuator operation. Looking in here, we can see that this fuel valve actuator is in the shut position. We can see that due to the yellow indicator with shut on it. But the other thing that we can see in there is that we've got hydraulic fluid leaking from the actuator. Now, that is one way that these actuators will fail over time, is due to loss of that fluid. And it causes two problems. Number one, at some point the actuator is going to stop working. Number two, that hydraulic oil going down into the body of the oil valve will dry and become sticky over time, which can cause a failure of the gas valve in the open position. So basically, as soon as we get indication of a leak, which we can see the red visible fluid there, we want to replace the actuator. Once we've replaced the actuator, we want to verify that it works correctly when we put it back in operation. So let's watch this valve energize. And de-energize.